Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we have seen the command using which we can tell Nmap to detect operating system of a target machine. But sometimes Nmap will not able to detect operating system accurately, and at that time we can force Nmap to guess the accuracy of the operating system on the target machine. We can do this by using fuzzy command. Let me show you how we can use the command. Open your terminal and type the command, that is nmap space. Uh, Let us try the sync scanner again. S okay, which is also called the still scan, and the target, sorry, not the target IP, but the command for operating for guessing the operating system, space 2 time minus, and write fuzzy here. Okay, so nmap will fuzz and detect the accuracy of the operating system. Okay, and the target IP. Hitting enter, let us see what is the result. Okay, so in the case of our virtual server, okay, which I am running for the testing purpose, nmap is quite sure that it is running linux. Okay, so let us look at the another target and see what we are getting. Okay, so what I will be doing, instead of this IP address, we will be scanning Nmap website, okay, which is for the testing purpose. That is scanme.nmap.org, and let us look at the result we are getting. Okay, so this is the scan result for the ports, and below that you can see that Nmap has tried to guess the operating system here, because it is not quite sure that what operating system it is running. So it has shown the probability in percentage. Okay, so in this way, using the fuzzy command, we can tell Nmap that try to scan, or based on the scan result, try to detect uh, what is the operating system running there on the target machine. So you can see it has shown the percentage. Okay, so you can try this command if you are not getting the exact information what you are looking for.